Understanding changes in property insurance. Age of the HVAC system. The HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is crucial for regulating temperature, humidity, and air quality within a home. Whether it's providing warmth during winter or cooling relief on hot days, the HVAC system significantly contributes to the livability of a property. However, as the system ages, its impact extends beyond comfort, presenting insurance companies with various risks and challenges to consider. You can count on our team of independent insurance agents to secure the right coverage for your home, even if you have older HVAC systems, by leveraging our broad network of insurance providers. An older HVAC system can impact property insurance for several reasons, including increased risk of failure. Older systems are more prone to malfunctions, leading to property damage such as leaks, electrical fires, or structural issues. Higher repair or replacement costs. Older systems often need more repairs or replacement due to wear and tear. Maintenance requirements. Some insurance policies may need homeowners to show regular HVAC maintenance to stay eligible for coverage. Not maintaining older systems could limit or deny coverage for related claims. Don't let guidelines for older HVAC systems discourage you. Work with an independent insurance agent today to navigate these challenges and safeguard your property.